Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Students, hopefully you have completed your previous work. So today we are moving forward to our next lesson of topic numbers. Student, I want you all to quickly take out your maths countdown book 3 and put your book in front of you and quickly open your book page number 12. Today we will learn about numbers and their place values. First we look up on 4-digit numbers and their place value. So we have learned the place value of 3-digit numbers in the previous class. The place value in a 3-digit number is ones, tens and hundreds. The first 3-digit number is 100. So class, previously you learned about 3-digit number and their place value, and in 3-digit number we have ones, tens and 100. And the first 3-digit number is 100. For example, we say, here is an example, we say 300, 4 tens and 6 ones. Now, our 4-digit number has 1000, hundreds, tens and ones. The first 4-digit number, 1000, can be written in a place value chart as. So class, now we will learn about 4-digit numbers, or in 4-digit number, first is 1000, second is 100, third tens and the last one is ones. So for example, we say 1000. Look at this example. First is 1500, 7 tens and 8 ones. Okay, now class, 5-digit numbers and their place value. A 5-digit number has 10,000, thousand, hundreds, tens and ones. The first 5-digit number, 10,000, can be written in a place value chart as. Look at this example. If we have a 5-digit number, how can we write in a place value chart? The first 1 will be written in a 10,000 column, then 0 in 1,000, another 0 in 100, another 0 in a tens, and the last one is on ones. For example, we say, look at this example. How can we say it? 2 10,000, 9,000, 300, 4 tens, 5 ones. So class, hopefully you have understand the numbers and their place value well. Now come to the exercises. Quickly open your book page number 13. Class, look at exercise 1. Exercise 1 is, look at the following 4-digit numbers. One of the digits has been circled. Write its value and draw beads on the abacus to show the value. In this exercise, one number from the 4-digit number is circled. What we have to do, we have to write its value, the circle number value, and draw the beads on a abacus. Okay, so as the first one is done for you, look at example A. Here is number 4602. How can we name it? We name it like 4602. Okay, so class, what is the place value of 6? The circle number, ones, tens and hundreds. So the place value of 6 is 100. So we have to write 6 hundreds and draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads in a 100 column. Now look at B. Here we have number 9006. Okay, which number is circled here? 9. Okay, now tell me, what is the place value of this 9? The place value of 9 is 1000. So we have to write 9000 and draw the 9 beads in a 1000 column. Now moving forward to C. Here we have number 39025. Okay, here we have 5-digit numbers. The circle number is 2 and we have to write down the place value of this 2. So what is the place value of 2 class? Ones, tens. How can we name it? 39,025. So the place value of 2 is tens. So we have to write 2 tens and draw 2 beads in our tens column. Look at D. Here we have again 5-digit number 46956. How can we name this number? We named it like 46,956. Which number is circle over there? It's 9. So we have to write down the place value of this 9. Now class, tell me, what is the place value of 9? Place value of 9 is 900. Okay, and we have to draw the beads in a 100 column. Now class, look at question number 2. Question number 2 is write the value of the circle digit. Again, we have to write the place value of the circle digit. Look at A, as A has been done for you. Here we have number 6497 and we named it 66,497. So class, what is the place value of 9? It's tens. So we have to write like 9 tens or 90. Look at B. Here we have number 8994. The circle digit is 4 and the place value of 4 is 4 ones, or we write it like 4. Now look at C. Here we have number 2160. We have to write down the place value of 1. First we will see how we named it. We named it 2160. The place value of 1 is 100, or we write it like 100. Look at D. Here we have 3480. We named this number like 3480 and the circle digit, the place value of the circle digit is 3000, or we write it like 3000. Look at E. Here we have 5-digit numbers. Here we have number 62048. We named this number like 62,048. The place value of this 6 is 610,000, or we write it 60000. Look at F. Here we have number 56728. We named this number like 56,728 and the place value of 6 is 1000, so we write it 6000 or 6000. Look at G. 71896. We named this number like 71,896. So the place value of this circle digit 8 is 900, or we write it like 800. Look at H. 4. Here we have number 43338. The place value of this 4 is 410,000 or 40,000. Now class, here we have a warm-up small activity. What we have to do in this exercise, we have to write the smallest 2-digit number. Now quickly tell me, which is the smallest 2-digit number? Yes, you are right, 10. 10 is the smallest 2-digit number. Which is the smallest 3-digit number? 100. 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. And what is the smallest 4-digit number? Yes, you are right, 1000. 1000 is the smallest 4th-digit number. Look at the next, the greatest. We have to write the greatest number, okay? We have to write 2-digit number is. Which is the greatest 2-digit number? 99. 99 is the greatest 2-digit number. Okay, now 3-digit number, 999. 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. And the 4-digit number is 9,999. This 9,999 is the greatest 4-digit number. Quickly open your book, page number 14. Class, in this lesson we will learn how to write the number in expanded form. So in our maths, expanding means written out the number showing all the parts, and this expanded form help us out to understand the every part of the number, especially for the bigger number. Now look, question number 1, exercise 1. Write the following numbers in expanded form. As you see, that first one has been done for you. Here we have number 6839. We name this number like 6839. Here we have 5 column, the 10,000 column, 1000 column, 100 column, tens column, and 9 columns. The 6 is 1,000, so we write 6 in 1,000 column like in expanded form. Okay, we have to write 6,000, then 800, 3 is 30, and last one is 9. Okay, look B, 2502, we named it 2502. Okay, so first digit is 1,000, so we have to write 2,000 in expanded form, 500 in expanded form, 0 in expanded form, and 2 in expanded form. Next is 3490. We name this number like 3490, and we write this number in expanded form like 3490. Here we have a 0 in a tens column, so we have to write 0 in a tens column. So we have to write 000, 3 times 0 in a 100 column, then 70 and 6. Look at E, 5175. We name this number like 5175, and we write this number in expanded form like 5175. Look at F. Here we have 5-digit number. We have a number 34904, and we read this number like 34,904. Now we have to write it in a expanded form, so we have to write this number in expanded form like 3 is 10,000, so we write 30,000, 4,900, 0 in a tens column, so we have to write 20 in tens column and 4. Next G, 50437. We name this number like 50,437, and we write this number in expanded form like 50,000, 0,000. We have to write 4. Look at D. Here we have 8076. We name this number 8076, so we have to write 8000. Here we have 0 in a 4 times 0 in a 1,000 column, then 400, 30 and 7. Look at H, 66606. We write this number like 66,606, and we write this number in expanded form like 60,000, 6,600, 0 tens and 6. Look at I, 84132. We name this number like 84,132, and we write this number in expanded form like 80,000, 4,000, 100, 3 tens, 2 ones. Look at J, 90076, and we name this number like 90,076, and we have to write this number in expanded form like 90,000, 0,000, 0 tens, 76. Now class, quickly moving forward to the next page and open your book, page number 15. So okay class, page number 15 is your homework. First look at question number 2. Look at these expanded form, then write the numbers. In this exercise, what you have to do, you have to write the numbers of the expanded form. Like first one is done for you. Here we have numbers 7,000, 300, tens and 6. So we have to write in this expanded form in a simple number, in a simple form. So you have to write 7,316. Okay, so the remaining is your homework. You have to done this homework at your home by your own. So class, next exercise is predecessor and successor. Look at question number 1. Write the number that comes. So class, in this exercise you have to write the number that comes before the given number, that comes after the given number, and that number comes between the given number. Okay, look at first column is a before number column. You have to write the number that comes before the given numbers. So as first one has been done for you, look at example 1, 5648. Here we have number 56,006. Here we have number 5648, and we name this number 5648. So you have to write the number that comes before this number. So 5647 is the number that comes before this number. Okay, look at the next column is after column. In this column you have to write the number that comes after the given number. Okay, so as first one has been done for you, look at this example. Here we have number 6999, and we name this number like 6999. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to write the number that come after 6999. So the number 7000 is the number that comes after 6999. The remaining will be done by yourself. Look at the between column. In this column, here we have three columns. The first column and the last column has been given to you. You have to write the number that comes between these numbers. As first one has been done for you, look at the example 1. Here we have number 8320 and the number 8322. You have to write the number that comes between these given numbers. Okay, so here we have number 88,320. What comes after 8,320? It's 8,321. And here we have number 8,322. So we have to write the number that comes between the given numbers. Okay class, hope you understood your work and your homework well. So class, take a good care of yourself. We'll see you in our next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.